Most people get this wrong when they try to move to Europe through a business. They think simply registering a company is enough to unlock residency. That's not true, and it's exactly why so many applications get delayed or rejected. Here's the truth no one tells you. In 2026, European residency through business is possible, but it's not automatic. It depends on structure, investment level, and proving that your business is real and active. In this video, you'll learn how the business residency route actually works, what countries offer it, and how people like Alex are legally moving to Europe without traditional jobs. Let's break it down, step by step. First, understand the core idea. Most European countries offer something called a business or entrepreneur residency permit. This allows non-EU citizens to live in Europe if they start or invest in a business that contributes to the local economy. Now here's where most people fail. They choose a country randomly or start a company without understanding visa requirements. A company alone does not give you residency. You must apply for a residency permit separately through a structured program. Let's go deeper. Countries like Portugal, Estonia, Spain, and some parts of Eastern Europe offer business-based residency options. Each one has different requirements, but the logic is similar. For example, in Portugal, John might register a small business or freelance company, but he must also show financial stability, a business plan, and proof that the company is active to qualify for residency. Now here's where it gets interesting. Some countries require investment thresholds, while others focus more on innovation or job creation. That means your strategy changes depending on where you apply. So what does the process actually look like? Step 1 is choosing the right country based on your business type. Not every country is friendly to every industry. Step 2 is company formation. You register a legal entity, usually a limited company or equivalent structure. Step 3 is preparing your residency application. This includes business plans, financial proof, and sometimes local address requirements. Step 4 is submission and approval. If approved, you receive a temporary residency permit that can later be renewed or converted into long-term residency. But here's the problem many beginners face. They underestimate documentation. European immigration systems are strict about proving that your business is not just on paper. So what actually increases your chances? A real business activity, consistent income, and clear economic contribution. Even small service businesses or online companies can qualify if structured properly. Now, let's keep it simple. If your goal is European residency through business in 2026, don't focus only on registration. Focus on the full residency pathway, including legal structure, financial proof, and country selection. To wrap it up, European residency through business is absolutely possible, but it requires planning, documentation, and the right country strategy. If you want more clear breakdowns like this, like the video, drop your questions in the comments, and subscribe for more practical global business guides.